Hey guys, Monica here. Come with me on a Quebec adventure. First stop, the Montreal Botanical Garden.
I think last time there's nothing like this. Welcome to China.
I started with the Chinese garden. I visited last June and I loved it, so I had to show it to you again. This time, the lotuses were blooming and there were some new decorations. And it looked amazing. Here are some pictures from my last visit so you can see how it looked back then.
Our lotus, I'm sorry. Sacred lotus.
Fun fact, it was built in 1991 using traditional techniques inspired by classical gardens in Suzhou, China.
Look at that.
Walking here feels like stepping into another world, with all the pavilions, bridges, and peaceful water. Next up is the Alpine Garden. I missed this area last time and it's so cool. It's designed like a mountain landscape with rocks, little streams, and plants from high altitude regions. It's a quieter spot, perfect for a peaceful stroll and noticing all the textures and colors. Then I went to the First Nations garden, which really stood out. It highlights Indigenous culture in Quebec, featuring native trees and medicinal plants that tell stories about traditional life and nature. It is a calm, meaningful space that feels deeply connected to history. Finally, I visited the Japanese garden. This garden is all about harmony and balance. I really enjoyed seeing a traditional Japanese style structure from the outside. It gives you a sense of the architecture and the peaceful vibe of the garden. It's such a calm spot, perfect for slowing down and just taking it all in. Sadly, I missed the greenhouses, but here's a peek from before. The Montreal Botanical Garden feels like different worlds in one place. Plan a full day late spring to summer is peak bloom time. There's plenty more to see here, so let's continue our adventure around Parc Jean-Drapeau. First, I saw the man who planted trees, a 20-foot-tall topiary celebrating a shepherd who turned a barren valley into a forest by planting trees. Going to the place was a bit tricky. We actually drove around for about 30 minutes before finding it.
I wonder where Mother Earth is. Look, it's nice. It's like made of grass or shrubs.
And guys, the iconic Mother Earth sculpture, a massive 11-meter figure of a serene woman with water flowing from her arm, symbolizing the cycle of life and nature's generosity. Wrapping up the day's adventure, we headed out of Montreal and drove just under 2 hours to reach Mont Tremblant. Mont Tremblant is one of the most popular ski resorts in Eastern North America, but it's also an amazing year-round destination with activities for every season. Our first stop was the gondola ride. The views from up here are incredible. You can see the whole village and mountains from above.
Yes, we have fear of heights. We have fear of heights here. Why are we even here then?
Wait, how does it keep
If
going
we're this
up?
scared.
How does it keep going up like that?
Machine or something. It's operated. I'm still chill right now. Oh shit. Oh my god, I might pee myself.
Open the door.
Oh, no way, there's no way.
Oh, there's people. Like some of them are empty too.
Not too bad. Mont Tremblant, guys. Do this for fun. It's not too bad, I think. Later will be.
Next, we went paddleboarding on the lake. It was super relaxing and such a fun way to enjoy the water and scenery.
Put the wrong direction, okay? We want to make it gentle like that. Oh no, it's so nice.
Quebec adventure complete. Gardens, nature, and fun. What a day.
It's foggy.
Guys, it's my first time seeing a deer. Cute.